excuse me, sir. What's up? You want to wash your hands? Yeah, you was about to just leave without washing your hands. I'm gonna need you to wash your hands.
All right, man.
Thank you. Yeah, the soap is right here.
All right.
Okay. Yeah. Because I have to remind you to brush your teeth the other day.
Okay.
Right. But then you'll brush your hair. Right. Yeah. Wash your hands. Being real nasty right now. Right.
You ain't have to say all that. You don't have to do me like that.
Make sure you get all in there. Yeah, between the nose.
I'm doing it. Come on, man. Stop. Please.
All right. Wait a minute. Wait. Go dry your hands. Bro. Yeah. Bro, I don't see how you have a big issue with me, bro. I was finna wash my hands in another room, bro, so you ain't even have to do all that. Like, for real. Hello? I'm just talking to myself, huh? Out of here. Alright, you guys, so before you actually start cutting, you want to pick the hair out and also lay the hair down. Now, my client came in and basically he didn't know what he wanted. He just said, do you, alright? So what I did was I went by what his haircut used to look like. That's what I envisioned right now. What I envision right now is like a slight pompadour look with a high taper with curls on top. That's what I do with all my haircuts. I basically envision it before I actually go and attack. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna knock off all the bulk on the sides using my 2-guard with the lever open, using my Stylecraft instincts. I'm gonna freehand the top, basically making sure that the shape is right, all right? You wanna make sure that everything goes straight up and not hanging over. So now that we got the shape, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush the hair in the proper direction. The best way it lays, as you can see, it lays best by going a little behind my client's ear. So right now, I'm gonna set in my bald line in a triangle-like shape. I'm gonna do it just like I do my normal burst tapers, but this time I'm gonna take up the entire hook using my Babyliss FX trimmers. Now going back with my Stylecraft instincts with the lever open, I'm gonna go right around that triangle-like shape, but this shape is more so going around the triangle-like shape, basically keeping some of that vertical bar as much as possible. Putting on the 1-guard with the lever open, I'm gonna set in my next guideline and I'm gonna set it about a 1/2 inch width. So it's important to basically pay attention to what your with the grain and against the grain is, all right? So when you're setting your guidelines, you're basically going against the grain. So you just want to pay attention that not all angles are just straight up and down. Putting on the 2-guard with the lever open, this is not me just putting in a guideline. This is just me taking out the rest of that bulk, making sure everything runs smoothly to the top. So I like to work my way back down, so I put on the 1-guard with the lever fully closed In a flick out motion, all I'm doing is softening up that middle line. Now that I have the middle line softened up, it's easier to take it out with the zero guard closed. All right, in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line, start below the line, flick to the line, and use your corners the entire time. Now sometimes that zero guard just doesn't get out the line. In that case, what I do is I'll go back with my lever open and I'll just kind of detail that area where I see bulk. Next, closing the lever, same thing I did with the zero guard closed is the same thing I do with the lever closed. All right, in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line, start below the line, flick to the line, use your corners the entire time. So just because you set in your guidelines and you took them out doesn't mean that you're finished. Detailing your work is everything, all right? And what I like to do is I like to utilize my mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend that you can't see just head on, all right? So rest your eyes, go in those areas with your lever open, do corner work with those guards, and just take out those areas where you see bulk. So right now, I'm basically gonna shape his hair into the shape that he already kind of had. He kind of had this like Pompadour kind of look. So I'm gonna shape it right back into that using my Stylecraft instincts with the lever fully closed. Now when it comes to prepping my lineup, I want to get the hair in the front out of the way because I still want some of that bulk at the top, but I do also want to create his lineup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring some of that baby hair down and cut it down to a 1 guard, all right, with the lever closed. And to lock the hair in place, I also spray some hairspray just to lock everything in, just so the hair won't move. So lastly, I'm gonna spray my client's hair with water and basically put some Johnny B mold, basically put some gel in there to curl his hair. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like
God did.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.